What's going on, YouTube? I'm just showing some custom painting that I did on the 911 wheels. Tell me what you think. So I got this one here. This was just plasti dip. It's a stock silver rim that I just plasti dipped. And then this one here, you can see I did Porsche black paint with candy barrel, which the barrel is the inside of the rim. And then I did candy lug nut holes. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, anyways, I think it came out pretty good. I took vinyl letters and taped here and then spray painted the black over the top of the letters and then peeled the letters off once the black was dry, and then I clear coated the entire thing. So let me know what you think, guys. Hopefully I can keep them shiny. Anyways, yeah.